Satnam, I'm Hari Jeevan. I'm in Santa Monica, California. It's November 9th, 2011, 2 days before the Aquarian Age sets in at 11:30 a.m. Los Angeles time. That's Yogi Bhajan gave us that teaching in 1977. And for many years we've all been going down to Florida for the winter solstice celebration. It's a very important time. There's 3 days of white tantric. The zodiac is at its zenith. The perpendicular energy is supremely powerful. And it's a perfect time to use that new Aquarian energy to start to integrate those dimensional perceptual shifts into your everyday consciousness. The whole thing about the Aquarian Age, it's now a time where you have to know how you've organized your energy, you have to know how you've organized your mind, because everything is being amplified. So it's an important time, and this is why Kundalini Yoga is spreading rapidly around the world. And the main energetic transmission times are the winter solstice and the summer solstice. And this is a very exciting solstice, being the first one inside the Aquarian energy field. So we encourage you to come down to Florida and really spend some time integrating these teachings into your life, because the world is eagerly in need of people who carry these teachings. And if you've heard the words Satnam and Waheguru and Om Namo Gurudev Namo, then there's a calling that your soul has to participate in this great evolutionary change that's taking place on the planet Earth. Yogi Bhajan said something very important, that as the Aquarian Age arrives, many people will take shelter in the 3HO Kundalini Yoga way of life. Because of the great energetic changes, you need these teachings, you need this technology in order to survive and prosper and live comfortable, happy, fulfilling lives. So please join us in Florida this December 2011 for the first winter solstice of the Aquarian Age. Satnam.